See if anyone's home.
Hi, Kevin. What a nice surprise.
Hey, Amber. Thanks for getting the door for me.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down to fly one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time is.
Hey, friends. We're here today to talk to you about how we store our mountain bikes in our really small New York City apartment in hopes to help you organize your bikes as well.
So we found this awesome product called the Clug, and it's really transformed how we store our awesome bikes right over here, and we hope that it will help you guys store your bikes and keep them on display nicely.
Yep.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
So this is the Clug made by Hornit. I'm just going to show you a little bit about their website. This is the product that we've been using to store our mountain bikes in our last few apartments, and it's really amazing. It attaches to the wall using 2 holes in the back, and they actually provide you drywall anchors. You can see them right there, and a great little instruction mounting kit. So it's super easy to install. One thing that's really important here is that you have to make sure you get the right size. For us, we're running 2.5-inch tires. We need the Clug XL. And this is just such an amazing, simple solution. Like you can see, I'm just flipping through Google Images here. There are so many complicated bike storage options. And while all these are really cool, we just wanted something simple that was going to work. So you can see here, the bike tire, you just push it right back into the Clug. Some tires fit a little more snug, some fit a little more loose, but no matter what, it still holds it up nice and straight. Alright friends, that is all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see what we do next. And I hope that you guys get your bikes stored just like this real soon. Thanks.